And especially online in Turkish Airlines. So in order to book a flight online, what you can do is you can head over right here to the turkishairlines.com, then click onto this flight option. Now input right here, it will be round trip, one way, or stopover. So it can be multi-city as well. I'll just input right here a from or origin airport. For example, right here, I'll just search in here for Turkey. And then you should be able to see in here all destinations as well. So you can choose which one you want to go from to. So for example, I'll choose in here this Brisbane airport and then input right here another airport. For example, let's choose Sydney. Then input right here the dates. I'll choose March 17 to March 31 and click on OK. And then choose in here if it's economy or business class and how many people are actually booking. After that, click onto the search flights and it will search the flights available for the date that you have actually chosen. So as you can see, we have in here these options. Just head over and then just choose one. So for example, let's choose in here this option. Click onto this option right here if it's available. You can see in here the itinerary details. So just head over and choose one flight that you would want to book. Then after that, just head over and then book the next flight or the outbound flight that you have available. Then book the return flight that you have, and then from in there you should be able to successfully book your flight once you have inputted your payment as well as your passenger information.